you ever feel overwhelmed by all the different kitchen knives out there? Whether you're just getting started in the kitchen or already love to cook, choosing the right knife can completely transform your cooking experience. From slicing a ripe tomato to handling tough cuts of meat, every knife has a specific role, and understanding how and when to use each one not only makes prep easier, but also makes the entire cooking process more enjoyable. In this video, we're going to walk you through the most essential types of kitchen knives, break down the different parts that make up a knife, and help you figure out which materials are best suited for your needs. Whether you're upgrading your knife collection or buying your very first set, this guide is your go-to starting point. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about creating great food, having fun in the kitchen, and hosting gatherings that feel special and stress-free. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment if you've ever wondered which knife is truly essential for your kitchen setup. Let's begin by understanding the anatomy of a kitchen knife. Knowing the different parts of a knife helps you use it more effectively and choose the right one for the task at hand. The blade is the most obvious part. It's the cutting surface, and its shape can vary based on the knife's purpose. The edge is the sharp part of the blade, and depending on the knife, it may have a hollow ground, single beveled, or double beveled design. Each edge type offers a different cutting experience. At the front, we have the point and the tip, perfect for precise slicing, piercing, and scoring. The heel, found near the handle, is thicker and sturdier, making it ideal for chopping harder ingredients like squash or dense root vegetables. On the opposite side of the edge is the spine, the dull top edge that helps give the knife its weight and balance. Just as important is the bolster, which is the thick junction between the blade and the handle. This not only offers better grip and balance, but also protects your fingers during use. The tang, or the part of the blade that extends into the handle, adds strength and stability, especially when it's a full tang, which runs the entire length of the handle. A well-balanced handle can make or break your comfort level while using a knife, so it's good to pay attention to materials and grip. Lastly, we have the butt of the knife, the end of the handle, which can add a bit of balance and also helps you maintain control while chopping. Now that we've broken down the knife's anatomy, let's talk materials. The blade material can make a big difference in how the knife performs over time. Stainless steel is a favorite for many home cooks. It's resistant to rust and easy to maintain. Carbon steel, on the other hand, stays sharper longer but requires more maintenance to prevent rusting. If you're looking for the best of both worlds, high-carbon stainless steel is a fantastic choice. It offers the sharpness of carbon steel with the rust resistance of stainless. Then there's ceramic, lightweight and razor-sharp, but more fragile and prone to chipping if not handled carefully. Handle materials also play a role in comfort and maintenance. Wood handles offer a classic, warm grip but need a bit more care to keep them looking great. Plastic or resin handles are low maintenance and easy to clean, making them ideal for everyday cooking. Metal handles are sleek and durable, though they can get slippery when wet. For the perfect blend of form and function, composite handles combine the look of wood with the durability of synthetic materials. Now that we understand how knives are made and what they're made of, let's highlight the 3 must-have knives that every kitchen should own. First up, the chef's knife. This is your all-purpose workhorse. Whether you're chopping onions, mincing garlic, or slicing meat, the chef's knife is designed to handle it all with ease. Next, the paring knife is perfect for those smaller, more delicate tasks. Think peeling fruit, trimming vegetables, or making decorative cuts. And finally, the bread knife, with its long, serrated blade, is built to glide effortlessly through crusty loaves without squashing them. Having the right knife not only speeds up your prep time, but also makes your cooking safer and more precise. It's a small investment that pays off big, whether you're hosting a dinner party or just making your daily meals. Great tools give you more confidence in the kitchen, and that leads to better results on the plate. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might be upgrading their kitchen setup. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.